It's here, you guys. My package from Stars Comfy Crafts is here. It is here, and I am ready for it. You understand? I guess I open it neat. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Urgent message. Oh, I love that. What is this? I know about the bag. Please name me. Once you decide, please let me know her name and story. Thank you in advance. Oh, wow. So we need to name her and I guess send her back. So let's see. What's a good name for this one? I don't know. I'm going to have to buy this one too. You want me to just name her or keep her? Like, what are we doing? I don't want to tear up the bag if she's going to. Okay. So this is, we're going to call her, ooh, the pink and the gray. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. The quality is so soft, you guys, but it's also sturdy, and I'm loving, 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 loving the tag. Oh, my goodness. What's her name? I call her Drew. She looks like a Drew, right? I'm loving this. Oh, my goodness. Drew, she does it all. She has a full-time job. She's a college student. She loves a good snack. Okay? Drew dates. She could get married if she wanted to, but right now she is focusing on herself, right? She has a good relationship with her parents. Drew is out here living her best possible life, right? She is a combination of strength and femininity. She is all the things. Hey, Drew. Hey, Drew, do I have to send you back? I guess I got to send her back. I'm like really loving her too. Let's see my other one. I'm claiming this one. I'm gonna just have to buy it. I'm gonna just have to buy both. Right? Just have to do both. But I'm loving Drew. Okay, Drew, come through. I'm loving this too. Okay, so my favorite color is gray, you guys. I love me a gray. Gray to me is the new neutral, and I'm loving it. So let's see. Oh, it's sealed up. Oh, it's fancy. It's sealed up. Oh, okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, it's like a Chanel bag. I am loving these tags. Look at the snaps. Look at the detail. Oh, wow. Look at that. I can snap it closed. Oh, wow. I love it. Okay. So I am digging her. Look at her. Yes. I am digging her. Oh, she's so soft, y'all. She is so soft. Oh, I got to show you the inside of it. Look. Oh, wow. Look at the bottom. The bottom is leather. Look at that. Look at the detail. So it'll sit up for you. Oh, I love both of them. Oh, I love the inside of it. You can put your things in here. So much stuff can fit. Look at how much room there is. Oh, it's so soft. This is going to go very, very well with my scarf that she made this color. Stars Comfy Crafts. It's the only place where I would get me a nice custom-made bag, scarf, quilt. She does these forever quilts where you can get a quilt made for somebody, and as they grow, she'll add on to the quilt. It's a lifelong quilt. I love it. This is awesome. I'm loving the detail of the tassel. I'm loving the flap and how soft it is, you guys. I love soft things, right? I'm loving it. Look at this one. And I love Drew too. Oh my goodness. Oh, I did not read it. I did not read it. I'm so sorry. Let's see. Okay. Hey, sugar. It says, peace and blessings, queen. That's right, Camille, which is a perfect name for her because she is very soft. Camille is an elegant, pillow soft, handcrafted crochet purse. Camille was created with the intention to not only be stylish, but also make a statement. She is a conversation piece. With Camille on your arm, the conversation will be about you, and you will make your statement. Every purse has a story. The character, mood, and plot are all up to you. How you style her, what you put inside her, and the way you carry her will be you adding to the story of Camille. That is so dope. And what makes this dope is that the owner of Stars Comfy's Craft is also a poet and an author, you guys. Her book is coming out soon, her next book, because she has several poetry books, but her novel is coming out. She's an awesome writer. And so I'm digging this one. We don't have a name for her yet, but I named her Drew. And so let's see what she put in Drew's bag. You are made of magic. I agree. I agree. Just because you are amazing and I love you. What? She's gifting me, Drew? I didn't know. I didn't know. Babe, look at this bag.
Oh, that's nice.
Right? Yeah. Look at this bag. Look at Drew. And that's Camille. And it sits up. Look at that. And look at that. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness.
That's nice.
I mean, I don't know what I'm finna do. Okay, which one is your favorite? I love them both. This is Drew. This is Camille. Head on over to Stars Comfy Crafts, okay, where she will hook you up with a custom crochet piece. She does men bags. She does skirts, honey. If you want a crochet dial, she can do it all. Check it out. Support a black business, okay? She is making things happen, moving and shaking. Thank you so much, Stars Comfy Crafts.